So I picked up this Pelikan M50, I think. Not for sure. Or M80. And the focus. The feed nut is busted. Was busted. Somebody tried to take it apart and didn't know what they were doing. So, after some trial and error, I was able to 3D print this. Focus. I will post the file. It's not perfect, but you know what? It gets the job done. So, and then this is something I didn't find anywhere. So, how to do this, how to assemble it. You see that there so that it all lines up? That is in there in the viewport. Ink view is the plunger. So you want to have it at the bottom. It took some struggling to figure this out. You stick this in there. And go ahead and send it all the way down. Well, actually, it ended up being up higher, so maybe not. Anyways, we're going to see how it works. A little, not all the way down. And then, yeah, okay, so yeah, focus. See, I don't have it all the way down. And then, so this is pretty cool. So when you screw it down, get it all the way in view here. Make sure I don't got my threads crossed there. There we go. It screws it. When you screw the back cap on, it screws. It lifts the ink plunger. And when I got it, the back cap and the body, focus. There's a huge gap, about 2 millimeters. Now it's good and tight. So now I can plug this in. Yeah, I'll make the file available. And then these nibs screw in. I don't know if this is a gold nib. It looks gold, whether it's stainless underneath. This is a mid-80s pen. Is that it? Yeah, it's snug enough. Okay, there we go. There we are. Nice. You know what? This wouldn't be complete without. I don't think Noodler's makes this ink anymore, but I got a bottle. Upper Ganges Blue. It's a lovely color. So yeah, you unscrew the cap. The back cap. And it should be drawing ink up. Yeah, I didn't quite get the timing right on that. Okay, we're gonna so that should be at the bottom. Cap going down. Gotta make sure them threads ain't crisscrossed. Oh dear. You can't see anything in the bottle, but that's okay. Yay, it's got ink in it. Awesome. Very curious to see how this writes. Set that down. Where'd my rag go? This holy sock will do. Oh, the cat has been laying on. Great. Whoa, yeah, we made a mess there. Oh, well, we can't do this without making a mess. That's just part of the game, isn't it? All part of the fun. There we go. All right. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah. Nice. Cool. It lives again. Very cool. There's plenty of air still in there. It could probably use another draw, but this is what I'll put in it for now. All right. Well, that was fun. Yeah, I'll put that part. I don't know how many of the Pelikans it'll fit, but I'll put that part in the description, or a link to the part in the description. Yeah, all right. Bye.